In this lesson, we want to explain edge effect. To do this, click on Effects. Here is a list of all effects that you can apply. We have two general modes. The effects here are for when the photo was captured or imported in a software, then apply this effect and can be controlled at any time. But the same effects are exactly in the main software, in the effects section. The only difference is when they are applied. These effects must be set before and applied during the capture. You can still change them. To get started, let's start with the main effect. This list. Select a photo that has already been imported and click on Edges effect to run it. In its settings, you can specify which corner to apply this effect. As you can see, you can turn off or on by clicking on these edges. And what type, you can choose which style you want, as you can see. Or you can change the size. And there are also two other effects inside these settings. Border. You can also change, you can also put a border on these edges. Change the color, change the size. And also you can change the shadow. As you can see, change the shadow size, color, and each edge you can specify the shadow by clicking these dots. If you want to apply this effect, click on Apply, and if you want to use this effect many times, add to the list of the quick effects. Okay. Another way to apply the effects, run this effect on the main software setting. As you can see, in settings, there are exactly the same setting. Now, this effect is applied every time you capture. For example, like capture here. And as you can see, the effect is applied. I recommend that you don't use this second way. Now apply the effect after capturing. And hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.